Hello English fam, welcome back to English with Aysh. In today's video, I am going to explain the simple present tense in detail. Simple present tense. We use simple present tense to talk about simple statement of fact, used to talk about habits, for permanent situation, for schedules. Let's see some example. Simple statements of fact. The sun rises in the east. That is the statement that are always true. We talk about habits. I wake up at 6 a.m. Action that happens regularly or routine. I wake up at 6 a.m. For permanent situation. Things that do not change. She lives in Colombo. She lives in Qatar. She lives in Canada. So this is a permanent situation. So we use simple present tense. For schedules. School start at 8 a.m. Future event based on a fixed schedule. So school start at 8 a.m. It is simple present tense. Rule. There is a rule in simple present tense that if the pronouns are I, we, you, they, we use base verbs. Example, I play football. Play is base verb, so it won't change. Is play, so it won't change. I, we, you, they. If the pronouns are he, she, it, base verb will change. S and es will be added. Example, he plays cricket. Play is base verb, so s added to this base verb because it is the pronoun is he. So base verb s or es will be added to the base verbs. Let's see some examples. I go to school. Go is base verb, there is no change, so simple present tense. We play football. You look happy. There is no change. They study English. He reads every day. Read, reads. The base verb changed because the pronoun is he. So he reads every day. She wears a blue dress. Wear changed to wears because the pronouns is she. Pronoun is she. So if the pronouns are he, she, it, s or es will be added. I eat or eats breakfast. I eat breakfast. We play or plays football. We play football. You drink or drinks milk every day. Drink milk every day. He read or reads book. He reads book. She watch cartoons. Watch. It flies in the sky. Flies.